Hello, well that didn't take long. That did not take long at all. I am pleasantly surprised. They have arrived from Spartan Music. So we'll see what happens with these now. Basically the idea is to replace both of these EL84s. Because it's only actually this one that looks as if there's a problem with it. But they are a matching pair. And that's going to be important. Also, right, this is the first time I have replaced a valve in modern times. I was born in the early 1960s, and by the time I was about kind of 10, we'd all been given metric rulers and stuff, and everything was solid state, and everything had changed. And I'd learned quite a bit about valves in the olden days. Here we are, look. I'd learned quite a bit about valves, but then everyone was saying, no, lad, you want to use electronic, solid-state electronics. So let's see. Let's open both ends here, I think. Just give that a little push out. Oh, it's looking rather splendid, is it not? Okay. So here we go then. Pull this one out. Very careful with these pins here. Line them up so they're just right, and then ease it home. And then this one as well. It's also going to be replaced. Now then, these are very modern valves. And as I was saying, I don't really know a lot about valves and valve silence. I just hope these are the right ones. They certainly, I mean, they've got the same number on, and they're obviously intended for audio applications. So let's get this one in there. Just ease it home till it's right. Okay. Right, so it's the moment of truth. Let's plug her in and switch her on and see what we end up with. Where's that plug here? Okay, and here we go. Let's see if they light up. It hasn't exploded yet. Let's just zoom in on those a bit now. You can see they are starting to orange up a little bit. Standing there quite happily with the old school there. There's one in the far corner there as well. But I wonder, why is it so quiet? It's got rid of some of the electronic buzzing, and it's definitely an improvement, because this one in particular of the old ones was in such a bad way it was almost on fire. I can actually feel the heat coming from these now. But there we are. You know, these things did always take a long time to warm up, but not this long, I don't think. So they've got a nice healthy orange colour now, and now she's had a bit of time to warm up. I think this is going to be good. Now those valves aren't our only problem by a very long way. What we've also got there, I mean, that's the swell pedal. Everything on the swell pedal is going to need sorting out, because it's on the ground with people's feet. And she does need a recap, as I'm always saying, but I hope this is going to... Yeah, I think that works. That's a very quiet stop. Rather cloying there. So what we got for a flute? Top section. I think we've got a contact issue there, because that's giving an octave as well. Right, food for thought. Melotone stop. Works more or less, you know, it's just the full Melotone principle without any of the rest of it. But there we go, guys. Okay, that's a quick look at her. I think she needs a bit of a clean up, but the great thing is she's back playing again. Now I can get on with that whole business of doing a recap. Okay, so thanks again. Thumbs up please if you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell, because there are more videos coming from the Compton right now. Here she goes.